Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Trust Wallet and creating a wallet immediately. Once installed, choose Create Wallet and write the 12-word recovery phrase on paper. Make sure to store it offline and in 2 secure locations. You will be asked to confirm words. Do that now. Next, set a strong PIN or enable biometrics to lock the app. This prevents casual access. Keep the recovery phrase secret. If you lose access, that phrase is the only way to restore funds. Once done with security, you add assets and learn to receive crypto. Tap Manage to enable chains and tokens. For new tokens, paste the contract address to avoid fakes. To receive funds, tap Receive, select the correct network, then copy the address or show the QR code to the sender. Make sure the sender uses the same network. You can swap small amounts inside the app or use the DEX for liquidity trades. Check slippage and gas fees before confirming to avoid failed transactions. To finish, you send funds and finalize backups. Tap Send, paste the recipient address, choose amount, then select gas speed and review twice before confirming. Once broadcast, transactions are final. After that, double-check your recovery phrase backups and update physical storage if needed. If a transaction fails, make sure you use the correct network, sufficient gas, and the correct token contract. If the app misbehaves, reinstalling is safe only if you already have the 12.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.